Dander, what are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Swinging?
Swinging from what?
I'm swinging around like for a minute.
Come here. Let's see your dance moves.
Why? How would do my dance moves?
The things you were doing earlier.
This?
Yeah.
This?
Did you know it?
Okay. This.
Mhm.
This. And then, what comes after that?
When you went on the ground.
And then,
Remember you went on your knees?
no, I didn't do that. I do that when I was done.
Oh, okay. Do you go in circles?
I have to put my ruby on my hand, then do circles.
Okay. Got it.
Nail on me.
Okay.
You should cut my nails. They're going for my rubies. Wait.
That it?
Yeah?
Thank you very much.
Well, did you want to send it to Daddy?
Yeah. What do you think? Should we send it to Daddy?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
I love you, Dad.
What else?
Dad, I miss you.
Give him a kiss.